What's up everybody, this is Thibaut from Steam Studio. In today's tutorial I would like to show you how to have the best Zdepth from Redshift in Cinema 4D. Let's jump in. Okay, so we are now into Cinema 4D. As you can see, I just made a simple scene. I used the GSG everyday material to just put a material on this Buddha test object. And nothing special, 3 lights, a background, and a bunch of objects. So we need to render this ZAOV, or the Z pass, as you can name it. So if you go to Redshift AOV Manager, you can take the depth here and just put it there. And by default, you will have something like this. So Z, full, and Z. So this is the bad way to render this Z pass for Nuke. So let's see why is it bad to use this like this. Okay, so the render is finished. Let's jump to Nuke. So I'm in Nuke, and if I just read the file here and put a Z defocus node, I need also a shuffle. So what I do with the shuffle here is I know that if I just press 1 here to see the image, and let's fit with, if I just go here, I can see that I have my depth pass here. And if I just here bring that down, break that down, as you can see, we have our Z pass, which is cool. In the shuffle here, I need to do one thing, is to set, okay, put me the depth here path into the default Nuke depth paths. So I just do this. Here I just untick this because I don't know why, but it's gonna crash the first time. It's gonna crash if I don't do this. So I just do that and check it one more time. And here, if I do this, it can work. It can work. But the good thing to use in math here is to use the depth math. So doing this like this. And how can I show you the problem? Let's just crank that a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Here, as you can see, we have some problem. So this is not, it's a little bit visible here, but not that much. But here, as you can see, we have some problems, and this is not really precise for a Z pass. So the thing we need to do inside of Cinema 4D, it's to do a little change into the depth mode, and to not in the depth mode, into the filters type, sorry. It's to put this to min depth. And let's render this out. Okay, the render is finished. Let's go back to Nuke. Okay, so this is the previous one. Let's bring our new render here and main. And actually, let's copy everything here. Let me just disable this one because it's gonna crash, and I don't know why. And yeah, let's see what we have here. So, as you can see, oh, let me just be sure that I use this one here. Yeah. So as you can see, much better. This is the first one. So let me just, this is the first one. Let me do the second one here, and we're gonna put a wipe. So as you can see, this is the first one. Okay. Actually, let me do this the good way. So on the left, you have the first one. On the right, you have the second one. So as you can see here, it's way, way better. A little bit more smoother. And of course, if I go there, it's perfect like this. So that's it, folks. I hope you like this tutorial, and let me what you think in the comments, and see you next time.